What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here, and you will not believe this. Today I'll be showing you something that you'll be asking yourself, how did they do that? And both, why did they do that? It's actually an accessory I first saw on 9 to 5 Mac, and it basically adds a home button to your iPhone 10. If that was a feature you're missing, you could get it back right now using this really cheap adapter. Now, I'm not talking about those virtual on-screen home buttons, which by the way do work, and it's kind of cool that you can get the functionality back. If you want to do that, I'll leave a link down below in the description. This is an actual physical home button for your device. So I want to take a look. This is extremely hard to get. I don't know why it's so hard. It's made by a tiny company in China and only by one person, basically. I don't know. It was really hard to get. So, they threw something else in here, expanding phone grip. All right, but here it is. All right, they took the liberty of opening that up for me. This is it, super cheap, foam, light, and yeah, let's get inside of here, see what this thing is all about. Here she is, so let's go ahead and get it out of there. Super excited to try this out. Ever since I saw it, I just liked how unique of a concept it was, and let's check it out. So, iPhone 10 home button plus audio jack. Oh yeah, I did forget to mention that this is kind of a do-it-all type of adapter. It basically has a headphone jack adapter, and you can charge your phone at the same time, and you get a home button to boot. So this could be one of my favorite accessories, potentially. Support new iOS 11.2.1, no need app, just plug and play. Compatible with iPhone 10, iPhone 5, 6. So I don't know why you would need it on those. Maybe on 8 series, 7 series, it'd be good to have, but yeah, support extend home button. Now, I don't know if it'll work on the newer firmwares. It says 11.2.1, so let's check it out here. Super tiny, very compact for what it is, and pretty well made, I'd say. Doesn't really bend or anything. Very solid. All right, so first impressions are good. Now all that's left is to test it out. So let's see what I'm running here. I was 11.3, so the newest firmware. Let's see if it works. Plugging it in here. All right, double tap. Oh my gosh, it actually works. Oh my goodness, I did not think it would on the newest firmware. Let's jump into an app. Wow, it is literally so responsive. That's crazy. So here's the deal with the virtual home button. When you click it, there's like a delay. This is instant. You click it and it happens. So wow, I am beyond impressed right now. Double tap activates the app switcher. Going back, let's see if Siri works. So holding the home button is supposed to trigger Siri, but it does not work here. So apparently in the article on iOS 11.2 at the time, you were able to hold this and it would activate Siri, but yeah, not working. Still though, the fact that it works as a home button and app switcher, you can bring that up with it, is pretty dang cool. Let's see if it wakes the device. Oh yeah, it does. Cool. So you can have it sitting there, and you can wake your device just by clicking on that home button. I really want to know how this works. That's ridiculous. If I click the home, oh my gosh, it literally acts as a home button. It thinks I'm clicking home or swiping up to actually get into the device. That is ridiculously cool. Wow, these guys did it. I don't know how, but they did it. So there's that. I don't know why it doesn't activate Siri. Let me go get a older firmware device here. Oh, and something funny I wanted to mention is that people actually online are making fun of Apple that eventually iPhones will have a separate dongle for the home button sold separately and Touch ID. And it's become a reality. You know, you don't even need to make fun of it anymore just because it's real. So I thought that that was quite interesting. Here's an iPhone 8 Plus on 11.2. Oh, and this one does work on Siri. So I'm able to get Siri working here if I hold the home button. Oh, wait, what just happened? I was able to, oh, now it's working. All right, so with my other devices, I've determined that the cutoff for the Siri functionality is iOS 11.2.6. Anything above that, iOS 11.3, this does not work anymore, so that functionality has been removed. But somehow they are getting this to work. If you guys know, let me know, because I seriously cannot believe this actually works. I've never seen an adapter that actually can trigger the home button from a different device. That is amazing. All right, so I want to see if this thing delivers on its other promises, and that would be the actual headphone jack working and charging it at the same time. So let's start with this. So iPhone plus USB audio device. It is recognized here. Yeah, so it is playing from here. Actually, when you go into the app switcher, you can see USB audio device connected. So let's try charging it at the same time. That actually works. Nothing, but I plugged it in all the way. Yep. Oh, charging does work. It is playing music from here, so it delivers upon that promise. And let's see if this works at the same time too. Yeah, it does. Okay, guys, this is seriously the coolest iPhone accessory I've played with in a very long time. I seriously cannot believe this works. Oh, and if you guys weren't convinced yet, there's actually a fourth feature they didn't mention that this adapter comes with, and that's a stand for your iPhone 10. On its own, it can't stand vertically. With this thing, it can, so I think that's pretty neat. All right, guys, so there it is. There is the home button adapter for your iPhone 10. Would I recommend it? It costs about $15, so it's definitely not overpriced. I mean, that's what you'd pay pretty much for an adapter like this, where you can charge and listen to music at the same time. This just has the added benefit of a working home button. I've never seen an accessory that does this and does it so well. I mean, it basically does it instantly how fast a swipe would work. So also app switcher is instant right away. The virtual on-screen home button has a delay, and the app switcher one maybe works a little bit better, but still, this thing is incredible. I definitely did not think I would like it so much, but as an adapter, as something that can play music and charge your phone at the same time and have a home button, it's cool. You know, I definitely wouldn't see myself using it just because I like the swipe so much, but if you guys wanted the physical home button back on your device, you certainly can have it with this device. So I'll leave a link to where you guys can buy it down below in the description. Just wanted to share this zany piece of tech with you. I seriously absolutely love it. So check it out, guys. It gets 5 stars from me. Seriously cool. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.